This herb, commonly found in Hindu households, is a Tulsi plant, also known as holy basil. It is highly regarded for its medicinal properties. It is known to have antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Tulsi leaves are often consumed as a herbal tea. Tulsi plants can be propagated through seeds. Sow the tulsi seeds on the surface. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Water gently, keeping the soil moist. Pruning is essential to promote healthy growth and maintain the shape of your tulsi plant. Regular trim the top of the plant to encourage bushier growth. Remember to use clean and sharp pruning scissors. Repotting is necessary when your tulsi plant outgrows its current pot. Select a slightly larger pot with a good drainage. Fill the pot half of the way with a well-drained potting mix. Cover the root ball, adding more soil. Water thoroughly and provide adequate water and care in coming days. Make sure to provide it with plenty of bright indirect sunlight. So bring your own tulsi plant to enjoy the freshness, fragrance, and wellness that tulsi brings to your life.